What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Harley Davidson Road King. Guys, this bike is super clean. It's got good tread on the tires. It has got these awesome looking beach bars, chrome everywhere. Let's check this beast out. So we'll start back here. We have a chrome luggage rack. It's got these two big old Vance & Hines pipes. It's got the smoked out signals and rear tail light. Actually super clean back here. I've had one of these black ones before, and what happens is there's a scuff right there. They start to show some wear over time just from people throwing their legs over and stuff, and then, you know, black gets little tiny, you know, scratches in it and stuff like that. But this one's super clean. I really like this bike. It just feels really good. It's got the chrome pipes, got some of the chrome covers. Love this vintage Harley Davidson logo that it's got on here. We got two little scuffs right there, if you can see those. I'm wearing gloves because it's for a reason here. Front fender, front tires, and it's got plenty of tread left. Front fender's in good shape, got a tiny little scuff. Let's see if we can get a good angle. Yeah, tiny little scuff. Front fender, not a huge deal. It's got LED headlights. I don't think it's a day maker. It looks like it's called a truck light, but it's a big old front, bright front headlight. Big old floorboards. Those are not the stock floorboards. It's got a black cover over there, if you can see that. Still in good shape. This side of the tank's in really good shape. Looks like it's got a hookup for something there. This is all in really good shape. All this chrome, the dash, it's got 35,000 on it. It's got chrome casing on everything. Big old fat beach bars. It has steel braided brake lines. Let's fire this beast up. Runs really good, guys. Like I said, it's got 35,000 on it. If you can see that, it's going to focus in. 35,000. It runs great. Like I said, it's got these bigger beach bars, braided brake lines. Seats in really good condition. It does have a tiny hole right there, if you can see that. Sorry, I'm using a different camera today. That's why it's just being a little fuzzy. The rear passenger seat has a tiny little hole right there. All in all, though, this bike's in great shape. Like I said, 2005. Harley Davidson Road King. Make sure to check out the test drive videos. Let's check it out on the website. This bike's not going to last long. I can ship it wherever you want. Check us out at Srkcycles.com as well as Srkcycles on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.